Hello and welcome back to Reno Sisters. We have a special episode this week. We are planning to still do the big room project, but first I have something I've been putting off forever, which is that my little library that I built 3 years ago and followed someone else's plans that I would not recommend is kind of falling apart, and it's also too small for the amount of books that are in it, which is great. There's a lot of demand, but it needs to be better.
Yes.
And about a year and a half ago or so, I made my own plans and built one for our parents' house, and it is great.
Fabulous.
Holding up so well. Everyone loves it. And I made very detailed plans so that other people can make it, and many people have, which is really cool to see. But I would like one for my house. So today, Brittany and I are going to make a new little library. And fun, this is also Brittany's first construction project.
This is true.
Essentially, you're building a very small house because that's how I like my little libraries to look.
Yes.
So we're gonna follow my plans. We're gonna see if it's confusing and awful.
We hope it's not.
We hope it's not. And it's gonna be great.
Yes. It's time for an upgrade.
It is absolutely time for an upgrade. So Brittany will be back here working on this pressure treated plywood and all the cutouts for this. And I'm gonna get started working on all of the trim cuts on the table saw.
Let's sneeze. Excuse me. Go ahead.
Spring. All right.
Allergies are killing me.
So I tell people that they can buy just two 24-inch pieces of project plywood.
Oh, so it's easier to carry around.
Or three 24 by 48 inches. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's easier to go buy and carry around.
Okay.
And blah, blah, blah.
Transport. Okay.
But it's actually cheaper to buy one full 4x8 sheet than get the pre-cuts.
Oh, okay.
Because they upcharge you for your project cuts because they think they can. So if you are willing and able to get the full sheet, it is cheaper. So
how much cheaper?
$20 maybe?
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, it adds up. They do put a surcharge on the pre-cut stuff.
You have tape measure for me?
Yeah, let's go find your stuff.
Okay.
But before we keep going, I do want to take a second to thank Quince for sponsoring this video. And if you're not familiar with Quince, they source really high quality products and sell them for affordable prices without the markup. That includes clothing, so this is all 100% organic cotton and washable silk for less than $150 total, which is amazing. But what you may not know is that they also sell really high quality home goods. And we're gonna use those home goods to style my dining table today for the first time. This tablecloth is 100% European linen and this really beautiful color, and it has this cute little fringe on it. And then we have 100% organic cotton napkins that perfectly match the sage color of the ceiling. Okay, these are some of my favorites. Look how cute that is. These are the perfect little water drinking glasses. And then because I'll mostly be using this setup for book club, we've got to have wine glasses. And these are really nice. They have this really great heft to them, this nice weight. And then the final new addition here is this candle, which smells heavenly. The same high quality ingredients you'd find in a $90 candle, but a quarter of the price. We like that. And Quince only works with suppliers that have safe and ethical manufacturing practices, which is rarer than you may think, sadly. So if you'd like to check out Quince, you can use this QR code that you see here on your screen, or you can look at the link in the description, and that'll get you free shipping and 365-day returns. So thank you again, Quince, for sponsoring this video and making my table so beautiful. Now let's get back to the action. You done?
Girl, no. Math and I are not friends right now.
Why?
Let's not ask questions.
It's not even math, it's just measuring. Do you need help?
I mean, you can do it for me. My 12 and a half turned into 12, so I'm working on that right now.
Okay, well, it sounds like this is something you can work through.
I didn't say it wasn't.
Okay. I'm gonna maybe mow the lawn or something.
That's just rude.
Do you have the first sheet done?
It's very passive aggressive.
Was it?
Do you have the first sheet done? Yes. Goodbye. Listen. "10 hours later."
I'm still
Felt like
mowing.
it.
But what I need you to do is make just division cuts with a circular saw.
With what saw?
Where are you going?
Getting my glasses.
Okay.
Is that okay?
No.
Whatever. Oh, she loves the attention.
She's like, I love my new bed. Hands away. Okay, so if you want, you can go here.
Okay.
That's the safe spot for your hand.
Okay.
Don't put your hand anywhere else.
Okay. Look what you gone and done to me, Renee.
Yeah, I'm about to do the same thing to myself.
Yeah, but that's to you, not me. Come on now.
All right, Brittany has been priming and painting all of these different pieces while I have been mowing the lawn, because there's a lot of lawn to mow. Yeah, those are words.
Yeah.
Because I like to let it go to meadow in the spring so that it makes all of the pollinators happy and it makes all of the cats happy.
It's a jungle.
Until it becomes bug season, and then it's less fun. But yeah, now that all of the pieces are painted, we can start with assembly.
It's sad because I just finished painting these like an hour ago and they already have cat hair on them from the cats loving these, so.
Well, you can always paint them again if you'd like.
No, it's fine. They can stay as is. We're good.
Thought so. Okay, now all of this basic construction is done, so we can start with the fun part when it really starts to look like a cute little cottage, which is when we add the cedar shingles.
Already?
It starts to look really cute, yeah.
Oh.
So this part will happen, and then while the first side is drying, we can put the shelves in.
Oh, so it's a timing thing more than a functionality.
And then we'll probably wait till tomorrow so that it's solid so that we can cut off the excess.
Oh, I see.
And then we do the other side, and while that's drying, we work on other stuff.
Okay.
It's all timed and in the instructions that I wrote.
Hey.
Amazing.
Don't make a messy, Robbery. Oh, you're making a mess. Okay. Girl, I said not to. Looks like shortbread cookies on a roof.
So cute.
Makes me hungry.
The weather was horrendous, so we spared you a lot of the painting and staining. Today we're gonna do the final touches. We're gonna put some wallpaper inside. The birds are coming back, and then we'll put the door on, we'll put it on the post, and we'll put it in place. So we're gonna go put the post in the planter because that's gonna take a while to set.
Gotta multitask when we can.
Let's do it. Grab the post, yeah. And then we're putting it temporarily on the dolly instead of exactly where it's gonna go because we're gonna do a little transition. And obviously you can't have a before if you already have an in progress.
Yeah, no.
That's movie magic right there. So this is our planter. We'll just hold it steady while I put some gravel in.
No. 80 bits. You're here too? Oh my goodness. What has your mother done?
50-pound bag of concrete.
Get your exercise in for the day.
Hold your breath because it's not good to breathe in.
Oh, yeah,
Let's keep going. Let's keep on
It's like
going.
a fog machine at Halloween.
It is real bad.
Oh my God, get out. Hey, get out. No, bad for your lungs. This is not a litter box, itty bits.
This concrete mix is nice because you don't have to mix it. You just pour water on top. And the water should all absorb into the concrete mix. and not look like that.
Not soup.
Not concrete soup. Been about 10 minutes. So it's almost fully absorbed. Very pleasing. And now we can move on to the next stuff. Okay, Brittany cut the wallpaper to size.
Oh, don't start it like that, because then people are gonna realize it's probably not gonna fit properly because me and Math are cranky with each other.
Her math for cutting these pieces was a little off, but that's okay because the table saw fixed it. But hopefully these do fit inside. We're gonna staple them in because wallpaper, outside, paste, not gonna hold up, but staples do hold up. And I did this inside the old little library so I know it works. And it's gonna cover the unpleasantness since I changed the color inside. Okay, let's move it. Let's get it in position. Off it goes. So that's our build,
Let us know what you think in the comments.
and we'll see you next time.